Hey there, welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, we are showing how to show available coupons in your Shopify checkout. So if you're new in this channel, you can subscribe to our channel. So get back to the video. This only works with Shopify Plus merchants. So what we'll be doing is we can display coupons like this and you can apply that particular coupon, right? So it's applied and it's free shipping. And you can also do it like this. So this is what we're going to set up. For this, we are using Checkout Ninja app from Shopify App Store. I also attach the link of this particular app in the description and in the first comment. So you can install that app. Once the app is installed, you can see these are the 3 discounts we are going to set up, right? Once the app is installed, so I'm just copying. So this is the one of the discount. So then you can open the app. So first step is you need to add the coupon list in the app. So you can go to coupon list section. So we already added 2 coupons. We're adding one more coupon. This is the coupon code. So we are adding that flat 300 coupon and you can give a description. So I'm giving a description like 300 off on orders above 2,500 and you can make it active. I can see here you can add as much as coupons you need it. So the format is first is coupon code and you can add a description which is relevant for your particular coupon. So we added 3 coupons, right? Then you can go to the block section, right? Then you can create a new checkout block. You can give a name like coupon list, right? We are not adding any rules. So then you can click on add new block. Then you can see coupon list. This is the title you will get in the checkout. You can give custom titles and you can have how much coupons can be displayed. We only have 3 coupons added. So we are adding it's 3 and you can make the status active and save, right? Once you saved, you can copy the block ID and you can click on open checkout editor, right? Then you can click on custom block. You can add the custom block. You can turn off this. Once the block is added, you can click on the sections and you can move this. So I think this will be the best section we needed, right? And we can save it, right? So this is how you can add the coupons. Now it's better we can test on our live store. So if you go to checkout, right, you can see the coupons is displayed and you can click on this apply button, right? So the coupon is applied. So this is how you can display a coupon codes in your Shopify checkout. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. And if you need this app to be installed, I have attached the app link in the description and the first comment. You can check it out. Happy selling.